Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, while supporting the bills, the Arunachal Pradesh Protection of Drinking Water Catchment Areas Bill 2023, I would also like to throw some lights on the bill. As you know, there are 4 types of water: surface water, groundwater, wash water, and storm water. But in the context of Arunachal Pradesh, the main sources of water in Arunachal Pradesh is various rivulets and spring waters. And now it is the necessity to frame the policy on the water by the state government. So it is the need of an hour. The bill has been introduced today. Why? Because for environmental balance, skillful and planned management for all types of developmental activities, economic use on equitable basis, and in view of the time, importance of water for all human and living beings are required as of now. Therefore, the Government of India has also adopted first national water policy in 1987, and from time and again it has been changing by year. In the policy of 2002, it has been said that water is a prime natural resource, a basic human need, and a precious national asset. Therefore, keeping in view all these things, the Government of India has also first adopted on water policy. The act was the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act, was enacted in 1974 for prevention and control of water pollution, and which was amended in 1988. Now I will come into the importance of this act. As my esteemed colleagues, Gabriel sir has already pointed out, I have gone through all pros and cons of these bills, and I am fully endorsed with these bills. And while supporting the bills, I would just point out some suggestions so that this can be incorporated if necessary. As bill has been amended, framed, but no provision has been kept for fund. Just saying about defense on the MAPLA, MLA and MP leads. But instead of that, my suggestion would be at least dedicated fund be prepared from the state exchequer, so that as and when we record, the catchment areas can be fully and well maintained. And that apart, award under section 6 sub-clause 3 in the bill, it has been incorporated that award would be given. So, as it has already been mentioned, my suggestion would be, since it has been provided to give award to the villagers, so my proposal would be at least 50 lakhs funds should be given for first awardee, so that at least all villagers will keep in mind that in order to get the funds, they will work on the war putting, and as and when required, the land can be donated by the villagers. And that effort, rain water harvesting policy like that of EB, that as last time when we had Bascon program that we have visited, that EB project like that of policy should be adopted by the all districts, so that at least rainwater harvesting can be taken place. But in this bills, such policy has not been adopted. If possible, it should also be incorporated. As you know, rank based on percentage of households which have access to the safe drinking water, the percentage of water in Punjab is at 97.6%, and our Arunachal Pradesh is only 78.6%, and Kerala being the worst is at 33.5%. As you know, the main source of taking water is drivelets, rivers, and spring water. If we not maintain now, in days to come, our future generations will certainly face the water shortage. And as the water comes from all mountainous regions, and if it is all trees and plants all are fell down, certainly one day the drought will come down. Therefore, in Section 8, function of District Executive Committee has been prescribed. In this provision, the PhD department has been made as an executing agency for taking up these projects. So whether the PhD department will be capable to deal with these such situations to maintaining the ecosystem or maintaining the forest, as there is a forest department who is taking care of the forest and rivers, then if they can maintain, it's all right. Otherwise, we can also think over on this issue, whether the PhD department should be kept as an executing agency to take up the Arunachal Pradesh protection of drinking water catchment areas, or the forest department, or WRD department. But in my view, since forest department is well aware of the forest, so it will be the better part that the forest department can be kept as an executing agency for them. And that apart, since water, we need a safe and potable water for existence. Therefore, if possible, the pollution part should also be added, that it has not been whispered about how to prevent fresh water, that has not been mentioned. So how to control the pollution part should also be incorporated in these catchment areas so that we can have potable water for years to come. With that, I fully endorse the bills and support that all friends should also support these bills so that for future generations can have drinking water without much troubles and hardship. Thank you.